everyone, I hope you are doing well. Join me as I take a look what's going on here in the backyard. This is our new walkway that we just did. We had a double slabs in here, but I decided to make it as a single slabs only, as I have so many plants in this walkway. So in this side right here, I just added 2 roses in here, and then we added a new trellis as well, which the roses can climb all the way to the top. So when I bought this rose right here, the label is America rose, but now when it flowers, actually it's not America rose, it is a Westerland rose, but I like it anyway, so it is fine that it is a good mistake. So someone maybe has replaced the label on it and they put the wrong one. So it would be nice if this rose will climb all the way to the top and would have a lot of flowers right here in the walkway. And then right beside it is the topaz jewel. It's been blooming since I planted it here. Now it's starting to bloom again, and I'm really surprised with these roses because they grow so fast. I just planted them recently in this area. So next spring, what I'm going to do in here is I am planting more plants in here. So from there all the way to that side, and it would hang on this walkway so that it will look great. And on the other side as well, so we have the alyssum, and soon we are going to put a privacy fence in here. We have the fence which is the wire fence link, but I would love to put some privacy on it, and I'm going to add more perennial plants in this box on this side of the walkway. And I have the scarlet runner beans in this arbor. I always plant a scarlet runner beans in here for the hummingbird. They love to come in here and enjoy the blossoms, the blooms of the scarlet runner beans. So in here we have another rose which I just planted recently as well, and it grows so tall. This is not a climbing rose, but I'm so surprised how tall it grows. And the dahlia is just blooming like crazy. By the way, it's 6:30 in the evening. It's a little bit darker and it's very cold today. I am wearing a sweater. And in another week, we are in the fall. The weather is really nice. As you can see, the sky is so blue. And look at this. Now I finally found the label of this hydrangea. So the name of this hydrangea is called Diamantino piniculata, and I really like the way it changed its colors. So as I said on the previous tour, I have 2 of them, and the other one I chained it into a tree type hydrangea, which is this one right here. And I'm so surprised because look, now it is shooting in new growth. You see that? These are the new growth. Each of the stems has a new growth, and I'm really happy to see that. So next year, this will become very tall, maybe up to here, and I'm so happy how it came out, and it's so healthy. Look at that. That's so nice. And this is another rose that I just planted too recently here in this area, and it looks really nice in there too. The cosmos is still blooming nicely. I really like the color of it. So I'm planting more next season. This is one of my favorite annual plants. And the zinnia. We'll go take a look at the zinnia, and I'll show you the one that is right here. Look at the zinnia. It's so beautiful. I like the pom-pom form of this type of zinnia. So I'm saving seeds for this one for next year. And the other one here is pink, light pink, and I like it too. All the colors are changing now here at the backyard. I am hoping that there will be a bird that would live in this birdhouse soon. And this is another type of climbing rose that I have here. This is a Westerland rose. And as you can see, the zinnia is blooming nicely. Look at all the blooms of the zinnia. Look at the nice color of this one here. And the huge flower. So look at that, and the different within this one here. Light pink. They're so pretty. I only have at least 5 plants in here, and they spread. And they are just blooming non-stop here in the backyard. And the new down rows are continue to grow all the way to the top, and now it's reaching close to the other side of the arbor. I'm really surprised how this rose grows so fast and how healthy it is. I am planning to shape this spruce in here because, as you can see, I have a bald spot right here. So I'm planning to shape it into a spiral soon. And as you notice here in this trellis, my clematis is blooming nicely. So beautiful. And the beautiful sound of the water fountain. It's calling all the birds to come here in the evening. Just want to show you this one right here. So this is the pawpaw white echinacea, and the finch are getting crazy with the seeds of this pawpaw hydrangea. As you can see, there's seeds everywhere. So I don't mind. Next year we will have more new growth of the pawpaw hydrangea, because all the seeds are dropping right to the ground. So that is really good. Now the color of the blueberry is getting darker and darker and deep red. More strawberry in this pot. I'll just keep harvesting. So when it gets darker, we have a lot of lights in the backyard. So I want to show you how it looked like during the evening. I am saving the seeds of cosmos. I'm just letting it dry right here. And this is the food for the finch. They come here and then land on the top and eat the seeds. So I don't throw them when I cut some of the zinnias that are spent. I let it stay here and let the finch at least enjoy it. I just harvested a 2 squash from the kitchen garden, and then some longyard beans. This one right here, I am saving it for seeds so that I have something to plant next year, and the rest I'll be cooking it tomorrow. My flower pot is done, but the creeping Jenny is staying strong. Look at that. They look beautiful. And as you can see, changing color as well. The petunia on the top, I already pulled it. Same with the calla lily. So I'm trying to clean up a little bit in here. It is a very quiet evening here, and just love to watch this cosmos dancing in the wind. They're just so pretty. I am going to get ready here. We're going to sit down and relax here and have some tea and dessert in that little bench. So we're redoing a lot of stuff here in the backyard. As you can see, the grass is very muddy because we just did the walkway. So the three steps right here, we just added that, and it looks good. I can't wait to add the privacy right on this fence right here. I am thinking to put a black slats or the white one. Same with this one right here. So we will decide what we're gonna put in there. But I will show you the view of the walkway from here. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I really like the arbor there on the gate. And by the way, I planted a honeysuckle in there, and the honeysuckle will replace the scarlet runner beans. I would let it mature first, but maybe next year I still have to plant a scarlet runner beans because I'm not sure how fast the honeysuckle will grow. Love the color of the fall. There's the vegetable garden right there. And by the way, I have cleaned up this bed over here because I am planning something here for next year. So right now I have some perennial plants that needs to be planted soon. This is the PG hydrangea, and I have another pawpaw hydrangea over there. So soon I would have to do lots of planting before the frost come. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much, and bye for now.